Hello and welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, you are super welcome. Do you have a little one with beautiful natural hair? Styling can be a breeze. We have got the cutest, quickest, easiest rubber band hairstyles that are perfect for your toddler girl. All you need is a handful of colorful elastics and a little bit of patience. Always start with hair that is detangled and slightly damp to minimize tugging. First up, the simple roll. Part the hair from front to back, creating small, neat squares or triangles. Secure each section with a rubber band. This simple grid keeps hair out of your eyes and lasts for days. You can try the zigzag connectors. Start with a row of ponytails at the front. For the second row, take two sections from the row above and combine them into a single ponytail. This creates a beautiful crisscross pattern that is super secure and great for active kids. For a fun, bouncy look, finish those ponytails with little puffs or knots. The possibilities are endless. You can mix and match bright colors to match their outfits, or stick to clear bands for a more subtle look. Continue watching this video to the very end to see all our rubber band hairstyles and ideas you can try out for your toddler girl. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and turn the notification bell to get notified any single time we upload new videos. Thank you for watching.